In this video, we are going to show you how to set a message limit for the AI chatbot in Elfsight. So there's no manual way of doing this. This is dependent. The message limit for an AI chatbot in your account is limited depending on what your subscription or your plan is. So with that said, how do we go about this and seeing how much we can have per subscription? Well, you want to log into your account and look at the upper right corner where your name or profile is. Clicking it will bring us to our dashboard over here. So by default, if you look at your left hand side, this is pretty much your main menu on your dashboard. It's going to be on chatbot by default, right? So if you have yet to subscribe to a plan, it's going to say here upgrade, right? So click on upgrade will bring us to the plans or subscription page. So as you can see here, free gives us 50 messages, right? Basic gives us 300 messages, pro gives us 1,000, and premium gives us 3,000 messages per AI chatbot as their limit per month. So yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next